Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and verifying the file type. This prevents surprises. Once done, scan the header row to confirm field names and consistent data types, because filters and functions rely on that. Make sure to create a quick backup copy so you can experiment safely. Next, enable Data Filter and freeze the header row to keep context while you scroll through thousands of rows. This speeds searching and prevents accidental edits. Now you dive into finding values. Start with filters to narrow columns by text, numbers, or date ranges. This immediately reduces noise. If you need exact occurrences, press Ctrl+F and step through matches, or use Replace for bulk corrections. For relational searches, use Match with Index or VLOOKUP/XLOOKUP for table lookups. These return related fields rather than just locating text. Once you combine filters with a lookup formula, you can extract targeted rows. To finalize, add conditional formatting to highlight the items you found so they are unmistakable at a glance. Then copy filtered rows to a new sheet, or build a results table using formulas so your source data stays intact. Make sure to document the steps you used, filters, criteria, formulas, so you can reproduce them. If things go wrong, check for mismatched data types, hidden spaces, or misaligned headers. Fixing those usually restores accurate search behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.